Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. And seeing that I had to do some replacement of some items, I figured I would pick some up, and I got it delivered from, well, shipped from Walmart. So I picked up some Nor rice sides. It is urban butter because I didn't save enough here, and they took some anyways. So all my rice sides are over at the storage unit, and I can't get there until spring. So I picked up 2 boxes of 8. The box came in another box, but somehow they've crushed the boxes that they were in. So anyways, that's what it is. Picked up a big thing of Miracle Whip because I had to replace that in my refrigerator, from my refrigerator. And I'm always adding Miracle Whip to tuna and chicken and things like that to make meals. And then I picked up some French vanilla powder for my coffee. I like to put that in there. So anyway, that's what I got as a delivery today. And seeing that I have to put it in my kitchen area, I decided to put it on a power chair by the door, so that way I don't have to move it around very much, because I'm not feeling so well. Still having problems due to some food poisoning. Sorry if you heard that. It was a message saying that my stuff was delivered. I keep forgetting to put my phone on airplane mode, so you guys don't hear that stuff. Anywho, I gotta put this away now, and I know the Miracle Whip doesn't have to be put in the fridge until it's open, but that's where I'm going to put it, because that's where I'm going to put it after that anyways. So, alright everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.